All right, my name is Mansoor Nathani, and here I'm gonna resume some videos that I started a long time ago. Today we're gonna discuss the Windows subsystem for Linux. I'm on a Windows 11 virtual machine right now, and let's get started. This link that I have here tells you how to install Windows subsystem for Linux. So let's go here and open up a PowerShell as administrator. And it should be as simple as wsl dash dash install. Okay, it's requesting a reboot, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's see here. While that's rebooting, let's see here. That's the IP of the machine. Looks like it's back up already. Let's disconnect and come back. There we go. Open up PowerShell again. This time, let's go wsl.exe dash dash install Debian. Let's see, 14 available. Debian 13 maybe. No, let's just go with Debian. All right, looks like I'm in Debian. Debian 13, Trixie. dig command not found. So let's go sudo su dash with the password. DNS utils. Try that one more time. So I can ping 1.1.1.1. So let's just fix the resolver. Okay. So I guess I accomplished what I set out to do, which was set up, install Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 11, and now we have a working version of Dig. I'll link to my previous video on some common Dig commands, but in the past when I did this, not all servers were IPv6 capable, but I think today all of them should be. These are the root name servers, and the command was dig space period space ns space at a.root-servers.net plus TCP. The reason we need the TCP is the size of the packet is more than 512 bytes, so the UDP would just truncate it. Maybe not. Maybe things have changed. So here we can get a listing of pretty much any TLD we're interested in. .tv or .de or .ai is a popular one these days. So let me know if you'd like me to demonstrate something else in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.